Then he threw me on the table. I'm exaggerating. But he threw me on the table, told me to lay face down, and he did his thing on my back, crunch, 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 and this, that, and the other. Then I rolled over on my back, and he did what he did, wrapped the towel around my neck, and I thought I was about to die because when he pulled the towel, I was like, ugh. But again, I'm making light, but I'm also being descriptive of my experience with the chiropractor. Snatched me up with the towel, all that adjustment took place. And at that moment, my back, it was hurting from what he was doing, but the initial pain that I had from my back was considerably lower. Then he also did some work on my knees. Again, my knees were hurting from what he was doing, but the initial pain from my knees was down a lot lower.